Welcome! If you're tired of Snapchat notifications popping up on your lock screen and revealing your messages or activity, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to stop Snapchat notifications from appearing on your lock screen while still keeping your alerts active. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all your device controls live, including app notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and look for Apps or App Management. The name may vary slightly depending on your device, but it should be easy to spot. Next, you'll see a list of all your installed apps. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Snapchat. Once you find it, tap on it to open the app settings. Inside the Snapchat settings, look for the option labeled Permissions. Tap on it to continue. Now, find and select Notifications. This is where you control how Snapchat alerts behave on your device. Make sure that Allow Notifications is turned on. This ensures you still receive alerts from Snapchat. After that, look for the lock screen option. This is the key step. Tap on it and then disable or turn off lock screen notifications.